Admittedly, yes. I was like so scared to come up to you guys because I didn't want to like be like that one person that never leaves me. Yeah. I didn't want to do that.
I'm so sorry. Oh, are you okay?
She won't care at all.
I had a feeling you wouldn't.
Do whatever the fuck you want.
You could call her a cum slut and she wouldn't care.
Okay, I'm tired now.
That's your name.
And I shit on my nose.
So what are you, cum duster?